Hey, what's up guys? Tony here from Learn Auto Body and Paint. Just giving you a quick preview of the candied out tractor here. Check it out. It looks stupid. It looks stupid sick. Basically flow coated it. Looks amazing. The color is just unreal. Anyway, this whole thing on how I did this is going to be step by step in VIP very shortly. Just wanted to give you a sneak peek. Hope you like it. Came out awesome, by the way, as well as the rest of it. All right. Hope you like it. Comment below. Let me know what you think. It's just sick looking. Look at that. The red. I don't even know if the camera can do any justice picking this up. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Cheers. Show it to you this way. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Candied out. Looking nuts. Thanks, guys.